Welcome to the project demonstration of AI-based voice recognition with responsive and home automation with emergency alerts. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 3 for communication between the input and output modules. So here the inputs are like mic, so it will take the voice inputs and that will be converted into the text with help of text to speech to text engine, and then after it will decode that information. So that coding was done inside this Pi 3 B plus board. So we are using 32 GB memory card. The process is like initially we will format the memory card, then we'll load the Buster Raspbian OS inside that, and then after we need to install the modules. First module is like text to speech to announce the responses, and next speech to text to control the home automation, and also to announce the time, and also to send the message alerts whenever we say help. So a message alert will be sent through this GSM module, and home automation will be controlled at the receiving section, and the transmitter is going to be the Zigbee transmitter we are using, and the Zigbee receiver. So the Zigbee receiver connected to the PIC microcontroller to control the two devices. One is a bulb and fan. So next we are using the USB to audio converter, which is taking input from the mic condenser and provide us the output to these two speakers as a response. So here we are providing 5 volts power supply for the Raspberry Pi through this adapter, and 12 volts power supply for the GSM module. And next this one is the breadboard, which will make as a switch here. So the main switch purpose is like after we switch on the kit, the light keep on blinks. After the blinking done from this USB driver, then only we need to allow the Raspberry Pi to communicate between the input modules and to control the output modules. So let us see the demonstration, and we have interfaced this switch at the pin number 23 and 18th pin for this LED. So the LED will show this when do we need to speak. So when the light is on, then only we need to speak to provide the speech inputs. So first of all, we need to insert a valid SIM card inside this GSM module. So this should be inserted in this manner. The notch should be this side, and push to lock, and on the power supply to notch. So wait till the GSM modem got the signal. So that will be identified with the help of this yellow LED. So initially it will blink fast. Once it got the signal, the blinking rate will be slowed down. So we need to insert like BSNL or VI or Airtel other than Jio, and you should have the SMS balance or main balance. And after, we can see that the light blinking is slow. After that confirmation, on the power supply to the Raspberry Pi. So once we on that, the LED will show the processing. So wait till this light blinking rate will be done. So it will take maximum 20 to 30 seconds for login. Right, now it is blinking, and wait for the another light. This light has to be blink. Then only we need to allow the Raspberry Pi to communicate, because now the USB to audio driver is need to install. It will be set up. Right, after blinking was done, it will continuously on. Right, now you can on the switch, then the light will be off. Now the Raspberry Pi start communicate with the GSM module, then after speakers and mic and Zigbee. All this initialized successfully. Then again this particular light,
welcome to the project,
welcome message, and the light will on and off 2 times. Now the first input is, we can see the time. So when the light is on, then only we need to provide the time.
Sorry, could not understand.
Time please.
Saturday, April 15, 16 hours 20 minutes and 30 seconds 2023.
And message also, like messages. Light on. So these are messages previously we have received.
Okay.
Sorry.
Switching on the light.
So we need to on this also. Receiver module. Light on.
Okay. Switching on the light.
Fan on.
Okay. Switching on the fan.
Light off. Light off.
Okay. Switching off the light.
Fan off.
Okay. Switching off the fan. Hi. Please take your medicine.
Yeah, right. I forgot about this also. Here we have the medicine
Please
reminder.
take your medicine.
So here we're taking 2 minutes as a session. So morning,
Sorry,
afternoon.
Please take your medicine.
So for every 2 minutes we're considering as a session, like morning, afternoon and evening. So for every 2 minutes it's keep on announcing the please take medicines.
Sorry. Could not understand.
So next let us see the welfare page. Unlock this. Help.
Sorry. Could not understand.
Help.
Sorry. Could not understand.
Help.
Sorry. Could not understand.
Help.
Sending alert message.
So when we switch on the kit, we'll get the message like system ready. And right, so we got the emergency alert. So in this manner, we can provide the assistance for the elderly persons to control the home
Sorry,
automation
could not
and
understand.
to send the message alerts using the Raspberry Pi. Right, so finally I will explain you the process. Initially the system will capture the sound, and as we can see the LED indication, when the LED on, we need to provide the voice input, and that will be fed as input to the main or Raspberry Pi. Means the first step, capture the sound and it will record that into the audio file. From there we are going to extract the text, nothing but speech to text, and based on the conditions, after we extracted the text from that, we will write the conditions like if the string consists of, the extracted string consists of light on, light off, help, time please. So if these help, so if these strings are exist, the respective conditions will be executed. For example, if you say light on, if the string was found, then the system will decode that, and based on the condition it will send the signal from the Zigbee to Zigbee module, and the light will get switched on through this electromagnetic relay. Same thing for the fan on and fan off emergency also. And the next is when you say time please, then the system will check the system time, then that will be announced through the voice. So for announcing voice is nothing but through the text to speech. That's a TTS engine we are going to use. That's directly take the text string and provide us the voice output. And coming to the receiver module, so we have interfaces Zigbee Edge, B0 pin, and C3 and C7 pins are connected to this electromagnetic relays. And this one is the regulated power supply board, which will take 230 volts AC input from this cable and provide us the 5 volts DC output, as operating voltage is 5 volts in our project.